Okay everyone, today we are going to 3D print and test the 8-inch pipe wrench from 3dprintedhardware.com. Oh man, this is going to be awesome! We are going to print it using CF-25, which is a 25% carbon fiber mix added to nylon. This makes for a very hard and lightweight material, perfect for printing hardware tools. Let's get to it. I am using our new X-CF Pro from Qidi. I really like it so far. It has a hot end that goes up to 350 CE, perfect for those new high-temp filaments that will be coming out over the next few years. It has a dry box for your moisture-sensitive filaments, and it's fully enclosed, making it fairly quiet. Going to print this pipe wrench at 285C with a 0.8 millimeter nozzle at a 0.2 millimeter layer height. It will take around 2 hours to print. Okay, now printing is done. Remove all the supports and assemble it. All right, let's test it now. It feels really solid, yet very lightweight. The adjustment wheel loosens and tightens really smoothly. We're going to try it on this quick connect for our air tools. Wow, that has a really good grip. It even ratchets like a pipe wrench is supposed to. That is definitely tighter than I can get it by hand. Let's see if we can loosen it back up. Oh yeah, no problem. This thing definitely works. Those people over at 3dprintedhardware.com really know what they're doing. If you want to check out this pipe wrench, or see the other tools they have available, head on over to their website. The link is in the description. And be sure to like, comment, and share if you enjoyed this video.